Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to block a contacts on Viber. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Viber application. To let you know, you can block contacts on Viber in two different ways. Firstly, you need to tap on the three horizontal line on bottom of right corner, that is More. Now tap in Settings. On the Settings, you tap in Privacy. Scroll to the little down, you can see the options of Block List. Tap on it. At the very top in the right side, you can see the plus icon. You tap on it. Now, you go in for selecting the contacts that you want to block. After selecting a contact, you tap in tick mark. As you can see, contacts has been blocked. Also, you can block a contacts from the second method. That is, you tap in chats. Here, you open any contacts you want to. Now, tap in the name of the contacts on top left corner. Tap on the three vertical dotted lines on top right corner. As you can see the options of block, tap on it. Here the selected contacts has been blocked. This is how you can block the contacts on Viber with two methods. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can block the contacts on Viber. Thank you.